Yan pa talaga yung serve, oh.
Alright, so ayun nga guys, this is our table. Again, thank you so much Seafood to Go, Crossing for inviting us. This is actually their main brand.
Actually, meron na siyang sariling lugar
Yes.
na you could dine in. Siguro approximately mga 6 tables, 7 tables na pwede ka mag-dine in dito. Parang pwede ka na mag-date.
For me, the place is more comfortable, but I think it has the same experience pa rin. So, if you notice, maririnig nyo, it's sa daan pa rin yan. So, you're gonna have some honk, mga beep-beep ng mga sasakyan. Let's talk about the prices. As low as 120 pesos sa mga meals.
Yung pinakamataas na lang nila is 150 pesos.
150 pesos, guys. Let me start with this one. So, ito yung the usual ano natin. Seafood to go.
Seafood to go na order.
Yes.
Mostly na sinerve nila is mga bago. Seafood to go ramen, 150 pesos.
Steak.
Seafood to go steak, 150 pesos. Then the rest is
120.
120 pesos. Meron tayo ditong calamares, shrimp tempura, tonkatsu, chicken and chips, and yung kanilang wings.
Bubusugin namin kayo sa mga pagkain dito. Let's go! So this is their 150 seafood to go Cajun platter. This is not directly comparable dun sa mga mamahaling restaurant na sinasabi nila. Kumbaga, abot kaya ng mga masa. So this is one no, small shrimp. Like this one. Ito bago sa atin to. So last time, hindi pa natin siya natikman dito sa seafood to go.
May nakatagong crab.
What?
Squid.
Buffalo, guys, honey glaze as our garlic parmesan. I'm gonna go for this one, the glaze. There you go. Siyempre, sasaw-saw natin dito yan. Oh wow, very tender.
Calamari.
Oh. So ito naman yung kanilang chicken tenders or fillet. This is boneless chicken. Kumbaga, you eat it as is. And this is also good for kids. There you go. See that? See that? There you go. Guys, so shout out sa mga Bethesda water. So ito yung water drink nila dito. According to our owner, so this is hydrogen molecular water. Yun, shout out Bethesda. Since nag-start si STG o si Seafood to Go, meron na silang more than 80 branches.
Yeah.
Dun sa board natin, parang nakita ko, meron na sila sa Pangasinan,
Dagupan,
Caloocan,
Quezon City, meron na rin.
Just take note na yung pong nakita nyo pagkain dito, posibleng hindi available doon sa mga stalls na yon. Some of them are just,
exclusive dito sa may Seafood to Go Crossing brand. Pero syempre yung makikita all over the mga branches is yung kanilang staple na Seafood to Go ladder.
Alright, so more of this, more of this. Another busog experience dito sa Seafood to Go, Mark.
As low as 150 pesos para doon kanilang seafood, and actually yun na yung pinakamahal nila.
Yes, 150 pesos. Located dito guys, dito sa may Crossing, Angeles City. Ang pinaka-landmark natin, katabi lang niya si Aling Lucing Sisig. And they're open from 11 a.m. up until 12 in the midnight.
Wow, so mahaba yung time natin to visit yung kanilang Seafood to Go dine-in. Kung gusto naman yun ng mga takeout lang, meron din silang mga Seafood to Go booth along the way.
Alright, so guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.